What's up, my beautiful people? So, in case this happens to be your first time, make sure to like and subscribe. Now, the news I'm about to break to you is a very shocking news. By the way, guys, Happy New Year, Happy Christmas, Happy 2025, Happy new season for track season. So, in this video, I will expose the lies of no lies. Yes, the biggest lie that has been used to deceive athletic fans is about to expose. No, all those fake lies he has used to deceive the world about the Usain Bolt world record. You know, last year the American media started spreading a fake news that No Lies is the fastest man alive. You know, and now No Lies has finally come out to rectify every single thing, and I'll be sharing every detail with you. So Noah Lyles said, I am the world's fastest American man to ever live. Technically, the world's fastest man alive is Usain Bolt. We are just constantly getting closer to breaking the Usain Bolt world record. Oh my god. So according to Noah Lyles, he is not the fastest man. Usain Bolt is still the fastest man. So you guys should just ignore all those lies that were being told about Noah Lyles. So he is no longer the fastest man alive. He has never been. Usain Bolt has always been the fastest man technically, right? Now the big question is, do you guys believe that there is anyone out there that has what it takes to break the Usain Bolt world record? I mean, so many sprinters in the world have always been trying to break that same Usain Bolt world record year by year, and everybody seems to be falling, right? They don't seem to succeed. So let me hear your opinion. What do you think? What do you think?